First thing to note when trying to solve this equation is that x is in the denominator. We generally try to get rid of fractions before we do our work. So let's multiply everything by x. When we do that, we're left with this guy. Because you multiply that x to everything. X times x gives us x squared. X times 24 over x. The whole reason we multiply everything by x is to make that cancel out. Then we have x times negative 2. So you might really be wondering what to do here if you've never dealt with a quadratic equation like this before. But I'm going to kick this 2x over to the other side, and I'm going to put it in descending powers here. 2x. And now that we have that, this should look like hopefully something you've tackled before. Either you know how to solve a quadratic equation, or you know that you can factor this stuff from previous work in your algebra class. So we're going to try to factor this into two parentheses. And we need two numbers so that when they multiply they make negative 24 and they add up to be positive 2. So that's why I chose 6 and negative 4. So we factor this. You can check by multiplying that out, making sure it turns back into this stuff up here. But now that we factored, what's it going to take to make this equal 0? I see some students draw a line and they do this: x plus 6 equals 0 and x minus 4. What's it going to take to make the second parentheses equal 0? Those are your two solutions. So x is going to be negative 6, x is going to be 4.